Paddling TV is brought to you by Ex Officio and their Soul Cool collection of shirts, which not only wick moisture from the body and dry quickly, but are made with ice-fill technology. Ex Officio's Soul Cool shirts actually dissipate heat and provide a cooling effect. Check them out at exofficio.com. Chesapeake Bay has become a home away from home of sorts to up-and-coming fishing star Kayak Kevin Whitley. The bay lays claim to several half-sunken World War II concrete ships. This is where Kevin plans to introduce Jim to his favorite big-game fish, the giant striped bass.
What are you looking at? I'm not a freak. He's a freak. I'm a goddamn good-looking man.
They call me Kayak Kevin.
We're out here in Chesapeake Bay at Chesapeake Park and fishing along these concrete boats for striped bass. We're fishing live eels, and I've been kind of waiting for the current to pick up a little bit and hopefully bring the fish along the sides here.
I think air temperature is still in the 30s. I just listened to it on the radio. I think the air temperature is in the 30s, and the water's right now borderline in a warm 43 degrees. Yeah. Balmy, even, if you will.
That water's cold.
One of the really cool things about being a kayak and fishing the ships is that we can get right up next to the structure. In a boat, they can't get as close as we can and drop our eels right to the base of the structure. And the really cool thing about it is we use our boats, our kayaks, to nose up to it. All day long. But they're ocean kayaks. That's why we ride ocean kayaks, is they can take the beating year after year after year after bang after bang after structure after structure. And they always do. You beat them up and you still get out in.
Without a doubt.
It's been the war. You made it look mean.
Kayak Kevin has earned a name for himself not only as a master angler, but as a record-holding distance kayaker. He soloed his fishing kayak all the way from the coast of Florida back to his home in Chesapeake, Virginia, fishing all the way.
We're beating the shit out of the water once again, pounding these ships, dodging the rain, dodging the lightning. Actually, it's not too bad right now, but it's gotten windier. So, tough. It's been a very tough fishing trip. Fun fishing trip as always, having a great time, but man, not so much as a single bite the whole trip so far.
Let's go someplace else.
Jim's well appreciative of this spot, I see. It's we're having a good time out here this week. It's unfortunate the fish won't, join us, but
I caught a 49-pounder 2 weeks ago. And I should have let him go because he might still be here. I was just calling a radio show when I first started kayaking, and instead of calling and saying, yeah, this is Kevin that fishes out of a kayak, I just call it Kayak Kevin, and it just started growing from there. Simple, stuck, sounded good, rolled off the tongue.
There was another guy standing there instead of me. I got a picture.
oh, he's a pretty funny guy. He loves to paddle. I mean, he'll paddle all day for nothing.
Before I started kayaking, I was a musician. I was I guess, amateur pro musician. I still had my day job, but I was making money playing music in metal bands, and I was in a fusion band for a while, and regional tours and a little bit East Coast stuff. And that's kind of got into kayak fishing because that didn't go anywhere. I still had the lifestyle of the tour. I wanted to be on the road all the time, and that kind of fizzled out. So I kind of figured, I've got the lifestyle to get out there and get on the road, and might as well do it in unconventional ways, and got into kayaking just for that.
Chicks. Got into kayaking for the touring aspect of it. And then quickly realized that, you can fish out of this thing, and it's even better than fishing out of a boat.
It's easy to have a good time fishing with people when the fishing's good. Obviously, we've had slow fishing, and we've just had a blast fishing with the guys. Attitude is always just go.
Now, honey, nothing's gone right ever since you left.
Might be as close to a striper as we're gonna get on this trip. Yeah.
After 5 days of getting skunked at the ships at Chesapeake, Kevin decides to take us to where the fish are.
We gave it a shot. We gave it a lot of shots, and that wasn't going to happen. So I thought, come to Rudy and get some little reds. Jim has never caught a redfish, so that's at least one more species off his list.
And we worked hard for these fish. This is awesome. Beautiful fish. My second redfish.
Little red drum or redfish, or puppy drum as they call them around here, but I just call them little reds.
Well, every time we argue, every time we fight, I hear the hammer click back, and I know she's right. All my friends, well, they say I'm weird, cause I'm in love with a girl that goes here. Blood red lips, barbed wire eyes, grinning like a python every time she smiles. My little blonde singer, she's my only one. I said something so sexy about a girl with a gun. She got one in the purse, she got one in the boot, and they're all loaded up and they're ready to shoot. One at her hip, one under her seat, one in her garter from her father on a sweet 16. But we went out on the town just the other night. She proposed to me beneath a neon light. What the hell was I supposed to say? I'm not sure if I'm in love or just afraid to leave. Blood red lips, barbed wire eyes, grinning like a python every time she smiles. My little gun singer, she's my only one. I say something so sexy about a girl with a gun. Something so sexy about a girl with a gun. I say something so sexy. Yeah, something so sexy. There's something so sexy. Ooh, there's something so sexy. She's my little gun singer, she's my only one. I said something so sexy about a girl with a gun.
We kept working at it, and today we hit it out of the park. So we finished the trip with a bang.
48 hours after Jim leaves Chesapeake, Kevin and his boys find the stripers. As the water warms up, the fishing takes off. In 4 hours, they catch 9 massive fish. Luckily, they managed to get us some pictures.